In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage make-to-order (MTO) manufacturing in Odoo 16 and how to activate MTO in Odoo 16. This process is crucial for businesses looking to streamline their manufacturing processes, tailoring them specifically to customer orders. Without further ado, let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to navigate over to the Odoo website. Once there, head straight to the sign-in section. Here, you'll need to enter your credentials to gain access to your personalized dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to register with your details to get one created. Once logged in, you will find yourself at the Odoo dashboard, which serves as your command center for all the functionalities Odoo offers. From your dashboard, your next stop is the inventory module. The inventory aspect of Odoo is powerful and offers a range of features to help manage your supply chain effectively. Click on Inventory to open up more options and tune into the settings specific to managing products, warehouses, and manufacturing processes. Now that you're in the inventory section, the next step involves navigating through the configuration settings. This area allows you to customize and set parameters to better fit your company's needs. Within configuration, you will need to click on Settings to proceed. Make sure you pay attention to the settings available, as this will ensure everything is perfectly streamlined when managing your personal MTO processes within your own organization. While you are inside settings, take a look around for the warehouse options. This part is vital as it ties together locations, stock, and routes for your products. Click on Warehouse to find more specific configurations that relate to your physical and various storage locations. Inside the warehouse section, you're going to look for the option labeled Storage Locations. By clicking here, you can designate specific areas where your product is stored or routed through during the manufacturing process. This step signifies setting up the physical locations within your warehouse, allowing you to configure how products move through these spaces. Once storage locations have been addressed, you'll need to activate multi-step routes. This will permit a more detailed customization of your manufacturing routes, ensuring that each product follows a particular path, which is tailored specifically for your business type. Click on Multi-Step Routes to allow multiple steps in routing, ensuring accurate traceability and efficiency in handling materials from the warehouse to the customer. And there you have it. Following these steps will enable you to effectively and efficiently manage make-to-order manufacturing in Odoo 16. This capability will vastly improve how you tailor manufacturing processes to suit individual customer orders, fostering a better alignment with demand and significantly enhancing your overall efficiency. Thanks for watching, and for more Odoo tips, make sure to subscribe to our channel.